Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your week 5 screencast video. So I'm looking over this week's schedule. We have another discussion board diving into chapter 1 of The Curious Researcher. You will need that textbook for discussion board 6, exercise 1.1. If you read through the discussion board post, and we'll get there shortly, but this is where we begin developing a research topic, a topic that'll take us through the and almost entirety of the semester. So I think your focus over the next couple of weeks is worth your while. Think about what you want to research and what you want to write about. So this week it's just a discussion board here. One thing I will do when I get over to the unit is talk about the topic proposal that'll be due on March 3rd. That's that following Tuesday. So let me click out of this, get over to the content area, pull up the weeks 4 and 5 Barnes brainstorming activity. So everybody's still working on discussion board number 5, and I'll wrap that up because I am posting this on Sunday evening. Take a look at the brainstorming, that is brainstorming activity to take, be sure to read exercise 1.1. It's on pages 21 and 22 of The Curious Researcher. I ask you to complete steps 1 and 2. Keep in mind some of the topic areas. Then complete step 3 as part 1 of your initial discussion board post here using the text box. So step 3 is using the text box. Steps 1 and 2 can be done in the document. You can attach that to the discussion board post so I can check your work there. Okay, so the second part of the post in the text box is part 2. Identify a discourse community. I have provided a lecture video in the discourse community information page there. So you're going to want to take a look at that as to what a discourse community might be. And that will help you in deciding a possible discourse community that you would be able to use in a research project. Now I have here, okay, no minimum requirements on word counts or anything like that. I am expecting a college level effort here. So be aware of this particular discussion board and what I'm particularly looking for. Once again, here's where I talk about discourse communities, and I do have a video, a lecture video already recorded there. Dan Melzer's article will give you some good insights into what a discourse community might be, along with John Swales. Take a little time to work through this. It's not dense information, but it is quality information about what a discourse community might be. So it'll be covered in that lecture video there, and then the brainstorming. Now, one thing I want to point to here, and I will produce a separate midweek check-in video, a bit of a lecture video about this assignment. This is an assignment. It's not a discussion board post. It's got 3 distinct parts. I urge you to take a few minutes and read through this assignment and its instructions. Looking for some just basic questions about your possible research topic. Also, some introductory research that you can find, a couple of credible sources to help you through your researching, I should say developing your research topic there. And then what challenges you might have where I may be able to help you and we can work together on this. So you're going to want to read through that. Like I said, I don't want to get too long in the screencast video here, but one thing I will do is cover this in the middle of the week. So look for that midweek check-in announcement as usual. This one will have a separate video too. All right. So this will get you started on week 5. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.